Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make chicken fried rice step by step. First, we'll start by putting 5 cups of jasmine rice into the air fryer. Next, we'll get 6 cups of water, put it into the pressure cooker. And then we'll get a teaspoon of, what is this called?
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Mix it around. And start it up. It will cook for 12 minutes. So while we're waiting for our rice to cook, we'll start by cutting 4 pounds of chicken into cubes. I'm done cubing the chicken. Now it's time to cook it. We'll start by having stir-fry oil on the bottom of the pan. Put in a quarter stick of butter. And then put in the chicken. I like to season it with roasted garlic brown butter. I'll cook it until it's a nice golden brown. Now that our chicken is golden brown, we're going to turn it down to about 370 or 350. Move our chicken over to one side of the pan. Add in a quarter stick of butter and also a medium diced onion. Now I'm going to saute the onion until it's soft. My onion is now fully sauteed. Now I'm going to combine it with the chicken. My next ingredient is 2 eggs. We're going to whisk them and add them into this. Now we're going to scramble the eggs. The eggs are complete. Now I'm going to add in my rice and mix it all together. My chicken, egg, rice, and onion are now all mixed together. Now for the last 2 ingredients will be carrots and Japanese barbecue sauce. I'm mixing it all around, and now I'm going to add more of the Japanese barbecue sauce until it's a nice brown color. I'm lowering the skillet to about 300. And as you can see, I used almost the entire bottle of Japanese barbecue sauce. And the rice, chicken, and egg are all a good color. So now we'll just put on the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now that our rice is fully cooked, we'll give it a taste test. It's good to go.